on the other side by investors to make decisions? Because so much is available. As much as you have done, you've automated, you've analyzed these alerts, these have helped you. What are the tools that investors can use to make better decisions?
So this front, I will just go in depth in the sense what all we have done in the recent past. So just if you look at say 2 or 3 years back, SEBI has itself created a department called as Corporate Finance Investigation Department, CFID, which basically looks into the analysis of financial results, if there's any window dressing, if there's any unfair practice in the financial accounts and all that. On the similar lines, exchanges also created similar set of departments. Now, as I said, in the first part, we started receiving the data. Now, the immediate question is, if you are getting so much of data, how are you using it so that it's effective in the sense, how you are helping the corporates or how you are helping the investors. So what we started is, we actually worked with the fintech company and we started consuming the data which the listed entity is providing, plus the data which is available outside, in the sense which is not submitted to the exchange but is available for that listed entity, its subsidiary, associates, and we started collating that data, and basis that we started creating some sort of a score for our listed entities. And that when I say score, it at this juncture is looking at more than 102 variables for each listed entity and trying to score a particular company. So that as an exchange, we are able to then say, okay, out of our 2000 NSE listed entities, which are the companies where we need to monitor. Now, this part happens at the exchange end. The question comes is how again we go back to the investor center. Now, when I say we score a particular company, it's a bit of subjectiveness, because we are taking data from various sources. The quality of the data may not be that good and all, because it's coming from various sources like your MCA, GST, EPFO databases and all that. So what we have tried to do is, from the investor perspective, we have created a beta site on our website. If you see, whenever you go on a get code and you select a particular stock, there's a beta site which we have called as iInvest, where whatever data which we are taking from the public domain, that also we have started now displaying to the public at large, in the sense investors, so that he need not go to other sources to get the required data and all that way. So from an investor's perspective, at this juncture, the scoring is not available, but whatever data we are looking at is being provided to the investors.